Hey, greetings. Performance reviews, where I give the review from the technician's point of view. And today we have a CX1 Blizzard that we're going to take apart, show you how this comes apart. Here we'll edit that in. But yeah, most of this is just kind of standard Miele in terms of how it comes apart. And don't try this at home. Bring this to your local authorized dealer, of course. Doing this at home voids their warranty. So. So if you can see here, there's a screw under here. You're just going to careful wedging these off. If you have a paint scraper, sometimes that works better, depending on what you're doing. I think this is going to need a screwdriver, this one. So you pull these off, and now we got two screws under here. All right, after some scaring prying, this will come off right here, and you'll see this right here. Fine. And that we got two screws right here. Now we have access to this, and you can see all this is really just one assembly, including the motor for the popcorn maker. Lift up on the red fascia, or whatever colors yours might be. And lo and behold, the rest of this. Now, what we're getting to is a cord rewind, unique to this model, not interchangeable with any other model. But more importantly, what we're looking for, so now we have access to anything you might need in the machine. Again, you're going to have to go through a local dealer to get any of these parts, so don't try this at home. Bring this to your local dealer. If you are the local dealer, hopefully this video helped you out. So yeah, that's everything there. It's normal Miele motor, cord rewind. What is different about this is we have a piece of foam in here, and you can see a very, very dirty filter. And that is the problem, is that this filter just gets super dirty. And this whole thing is one assembly, and you order from Miele, it's $100. You want to change it every 1 to 2 years. So yeah, that's the problem with this, is we have two separate filters on there. Well, we've gone ahead and done what we can with this. We're going to go ahead and put this all back together. And these guys are going to pop out the motor mounts. and you just want to make sure that they're all lined up, so you'll probably pull them out and put them back on, like so. Yep. Alright, motor mounts. I'll put those on last. You don't ever want to over torque anything, so keep that in mind. A lot of these videos you'll see me just throwing away this. This one's no different. They get overly dirty and they're just not worth replacing for most of the customers. Some customers will decide to replace them, but it's, you know, an extra 30 bucks for no reason. Luckily, all the screws are the same. One more screw back here. All right, well, that's good. The thing about Miele is they usually do make these so that you can service them. There is an attempt made by the engineering department. They want these to last 1,000 working hours or 20 years, depending on household usage. So it all goes on. It's all very simple. I'll put the screw right here. So we're going to put this back wherever this was, just like that. And that plugs in. It's important that you plug that in. Give that a good tap. Now we're going to put 4 screws in here. All right. Then the last 2 screws are going to go right here. Now we got to put the fascia on. Mine seems to go on. Mine seems to be directional. All right, fascia's on. Put these guys back in. All that seems to be working. Give it a quick function test. All right, all that seems to be working. Great. Now we're going to put the cyclone back together. All right, this is probably the part that some of you have been waiting for, which is how to put all the cleanables back together. You probably want to clean this thing out almost every use, at least a couple times a month. So this goes in on like a slant, and then you give it a twist. And that will go in like that. The cyclone assembly. This should show this part right here. This just snaps this guy. Screen facing away from you will snap right in there. Clicks into place. All right, we take the handle and the fascia. That just goes on. That, boom, that's in place. And then we do this right here. Again, all that's very simple, and that will just slide on the back like so. So that's how you take a Miele CX1 Blizzard apart or put it back together. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. please like, share, and consider taking a look at our Patreon. Have a great day.